University. Dr. Kalam to kindly facilitate Akif Popular Sutin, the project manager of SPB. Knowledge development. I was seeking this horticultural section in charge to kindly deliver a brief message.
We should appreciate the government of Meghalaya and SPB
to implement things which is not new to them, but which is also new.
Crop, tuber crop, spice crop, Khasi Mandarin fruits crop, and also one of the important topic was the disease management in the horticultural nursery.
C. Warba, Assistant Project Manager SPP for funding the program, and City H. Chulet, HCDO, and City B. Wanyam, representative from the District Horticultural